intro than you. Hello and welcome to my very first experience with Qatar Airways. My first flight is from Dubai to Doha, which is like 1 hour and something. It's fine. And then from Doha to Edinburgh, Scotland. I really want to see because it's one of the best airlines in the world. I am flying in economy class. And let's check it. The screen is really nice. I will choose English. So it's actually just 55 minutes to Doha. A really short flight, but it's actually good. You have entertainment even for this short flight. We did not get any blanket or something, which is actually reasonable for 55 minutes. There is no point to get a blanket or pillow, even if it is evening flight. And today we are flying with Boeing 787. You can see all emergency exit here, and you can get some more information. And just for your information, Qatar is flying from Terminal 1 in Dubai, and they might have like more flights than one, so definitely have to check it. They might be different, like 5-10 minutes, so definitely check it if you are boarding right flight. Another information, if you need headphones in a short flight, you need to ask for it. They are not giving that like straight away, so it's just for a short flight. Enough leg room, and you have space here for your items, and also safety car, which is usual for any flight. On my 50 minutes flight, I got Arabic snack. With Arabic bread and orange juice. The snack was really good. I love it, absolutely love it. Excellent. It was really pleasant flight, but we had just 1 hour and 10 minutes to get to our second flight. Fingers crossed. We actually made it to our second flight. We rushed so much because actually you need to go through security again, so if you have any liquid, be careful with them. But unfortunately we are going to be late. We are sitting here like we start boarding, everything is done actually, but we are waiting for we don't know what. We are finally boarding.
Hello. For to eat this one, please.
Thank you.
Just showing this flow for Qatar Airways Economy Class. Keep on seat, please place your hand luggage in the research compartment and see in front of you. Customers seat damages exit and factor seat should keep your arrivals. Please ensure
Already on my seat, we are actually completely full. I will show you what we got in economy class. Starting with travel protective kit with a face mask and hand sanitizer. Then we have toothbrush and toothpaste, air plug, eye mask and socks. Perfect. Of course, pillow and a blanket. Thanks to Rad for assistance. This is actually really good as well. You can download the application and you don't need to touch the screen. You can do it via your phone. Welcome to this very small toilet. But it's actually really clean. I'm going to brush my teeth and we are just 2.5 hours away from Edinburgh. We are having breakfast. It actually looks really nice. I got Spanish omelette, some yogurt, fruit and orange juice. Very good morning from Edinburgh Airport. And after our first experience with Qatar, and I must say it was amazing. So far it's my favorite airline. Everything was perfect. We actually skipped first meal. It was a sandwich, but both me and Rad, we were really sleepy, so we skipped that. Breakfast was really good. I had a Spanish omelette. Very good. Flight attendant, all of them were so polite all the time. We had 1 hour delay, which I'm not happy about, but what I can do, it's fine. But like service, etc., it was excellent. Definitely not all these crazy story what I heard before. So that's it for now. Take care, stay safe, and see you with another adventure.